is May the 5th, 2022, and we are in Delhi, India at the KBC Cravo A-frame retractable roof greenhouse with a retractable cooling curtain inside. And what I'm going to do is show you a comparison in the lettuce development between a conventional pad and fan greenhouse and the retractable roof. So last week the air temperatures here were 41 to 42 degrees. Relative humidity was 20 to 25%. So we're dealing with the hot summer conditions. And so here in the retractable roof, we only have a cooling curtain and a low pressure misting system. There is no fans anywhere operating in the house. So if we look at the difference in the plant development, so this plant here was grown in the retractable roof, and we can see that the size of the leaves are large and the color is darker green. And the leaves are quite firm. You can hear they were crunchy when I started to bend them. Now in the pad and fan cooled house, we can see this plant is the same age. And so there's, first of all, less leaf development because this plant here had less sunlight because the plastic roof is blocking a lot of the sunlight, and they need to be pulling the shade frequently in order to help cool the greenhouse. The second thing though is the pad and fan cooling system is injecting a lot of humidity into the house, which is causing a low transpiration rate. So we can see we have less quantity of leaves, the color is lighter, and the leaves are thinner, and that's going to contribute to a reduction in quality from the part of the consumer and also a reduction in shelf life. Now, given that both these plants are the same age, the other difference is in terms of cost of production and sustainability. The plants grown in the retractable roof are using 95% less electricity for cooling than the pad and fan, and we're using probably 95% less water for cooling because these misters here are only operating for several hours a day, and they're pulsing for say 10 seconds every 5 or 10 minutes to help give us a evaporative cooling and to raise the humidity. So we're using more electricity, more water, but more importantly, we're getting less leaves, thinner leaves, and a shorter shelf life. So this is May the 5th, 2022 in Delhi. And so for people that are growing lettuces in the hot climates, this is the difference between a conventional pad and fan cooled poly house and a retractable roof.